Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqarah. وَلَكُمْ فِي الْقِصَاصِ حَيَاةٌ يَا أُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. Translation. And there is life saving for you in this law of equality, qisas or retaliation, O you people with sense and understanding, that you may become pious, muttaqi, fearing Allah, and refrain from killing. In the previous ayah, we saw that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed for the Ummah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to take qisas, meaning life for life, or the family members can forgive the murderer, or the family members can take blood money from the murderer. Hazrat Qatada narrated that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made mercy on the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that Allah allowed blood money to them. And before that, the people of Torah, meaning Jews, had only qasas in their law, meaning it was obligatory, and they could not take the blood money. And the people of Injil, meaning Jews, were ordered to forgive. But for the people of Muhammad, for the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed qisas, forgiving, and blood money, all three. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that in the law of qisas there is life, there is great life for the nation, for the Ummah Muhammadi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And how is it? Because once the law of qisas is applicable and the people knows that if they kill someone, they will be killed as the punishment of this murder, they will not kill other people. But if in any society the killer is put in jail and he knows that he will eat, he will drink, he will sleep, he will do everything in jail, he will be encouraged to kill. And other people will also be encouraged to kill in the society, and the murder will be common in such society. But if the law of qisas is strictly applicable, no one will dare to murder, because they would know that they will be killed for that. Hazrat Sa'id bin al-Musayyib narrated that during the time of Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu, 5 or 7 men killed a man, and Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu killed all those 5 or 7 men for the murder of one man. And he said that if the whole city of Sana'a kills one man, I will kill the whole city for the qisas of that one man. So this underscores and this explains that how much importance is of human life in Islam. And those who say that Muslims are killers do not know the Islamic law. There is extreme importance given to the life of human being in Islam. Now, this law of qisas is absolute justice. Those who say that this is kind of transgression or zulm don't even know the meaning of transgression or zulm, because the transgression or zulm is done by the killer. And if he is left alive, this is zulm. But if his life is taken, this is absolute justice, and no one should dare to kill anyone in that society. So let's pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and Islam. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.